Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook, we are making these soft and chewy vegan chocolate chip cookies. Listen, I didn't even tell my husband and sons they were vegan and they nailed these cookies. They are so good. Let's go. Alright, first step, we're going to add our vegan butter into a bowl. I'm using, Earth Balance brand, I think. Next, I'm going to add in my shortening. I'm using Spectrum. And then we're going to add in a little bit of applesauce, unsweetened applesauce. I didn't have any, so I just got an apple, threw it in the blender, and went on about my day, okay? There's the brown sugar going in, and now I have some white sugar going in. Now, if you want to know what vegan brands I use to make these, go to my blog. I'll list all of that. I didn't order anything. I just used what was in grocery stores because ain't nobody got time for no hard to find vegan ingredients. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to, keep it really simple. I'm gonna mix this all up until it is creamy, kind of like this right here, all smooth and stuff. Yes. Okay. Now I have some flour right here. I'm gonna add in some baking soda and some salt. Dump that in, whisk this around. I don't know why I always use such a small bowl to whisk my flour. Like, girl, get it together. Okay, now I'm gonna add my flour into my wet mixture here. Just dump it all in. Get yourself a little spatula and just stir it on up. And then eventually, you will have a nice soft dough that looks like this right here. So easy. I cannot believe this does not have any eggs in it. It's like, why am I using eggs when I can't even tell a difference in this recipe, okay? It's crazy. But yeah, there's your dough. It look like this, all nice and soft and beautiful and stuff. Okay, now it's time to move on to our chocolate chips. I am using Enjoy Life brand because I like that brand. It's always so easy to find. So that's the kind that I use. Dump those chocolate chips on in there and just fold them in, stir them on up just like that. Okay, now look at our dough. That looks so good. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna chill this dough. I know I hate that part, but yeah, chill it for 30 minutes. This gets really chewy, okay? And when it comes out of that fridge, go ahead and place them on your cookie sheet. I'm using this little mini ice cream scoop. It's like a tablespoon size, ball of dough. I like to take it and just kind of, roll it into a beautiful smooth ball. You don't have to, but I just kind of like it to look pretty and stuff like that. Okay, that looks wonderful, just like that. And now what I'm gonna do, once I have all of them rolled out, I like to go in and just kind of press it down a little bit because these cookies don't spread a whole lot. So give them a nice little press just like that. Now you don't want to press them too flat, just, a little bit, kind of just like this right here. Just barely press them. Boom, perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to take a few little chocolate chips and just press them very, very lightly into the dough. This makes it look really pretty when it bakes up and you can see all those little chocolate chips peeking out so perfectly, Yeah, this is how you get that little effect to it, okay? Just press them in the dough just like that. That looks great. All right, now we are pretty much done. It's time to place these bad boys in the oven. I have my oven at 375. I'm going to bake this for about 7 minutes. And when it comes out of the oven, beautiful. We are not going to place this on a cooling rack. We're going to let these bad boys sit in the pan until they are cooled off completely, because as they cool off very, very slow like this, y'all, these cookies are going to be so chewy, and that is what we want. So I let these cool off completely in the pan, and then you're ready to go. Go ahead and plate them up. And sister, you are ready to rock and roll. These cookies lasted for about probably like 8 hours in my house before they were all gone. They're that good. Like, it's crazy. They are so chewy. So chewy, the inside is nice and soft. A perfect chocolate chip cookies, only they're vegan. Who would have thunk it? Because, yeah, so good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Later.